Ekipa je iz New Yorka, drugače že eno četvrto leto speljujete projekta z ladjami in letos so se odločili, da začnejo delati v Ankaranu in potem priplujejo do Benetk, se pravi celotno obalo italijansko. Začel se je projekt aprila in prvi pa so pred par dnevi, tako da...
Zdaj so pa na temo točko pristali.
Na temo točko, ja, pa se pravi nekako simultano oziroma usporedna neka alternativa binealu, se pravi, da obstaja to neka kreativnost izven nekih utečenih smernic, pa potem vidiš razne reakcije.
Kako se reče temu projektu?
Swoom in Serenissima.
Ja, mi smo ga že predstavljali, ampak mi smo štartali, ne? Pa smo vas zgubili nekako, kaj?
Na poti.
Ja, nekje ste iz radarja ušli in zdaj vas iščemo in zdaj smo jih izsledili, tle, vidiš? Po takemu...
Mislim, se pravi, jaz pridem pa grem, tako da nisem potoval, zdaj oni so hodili en mesec, tako da toliko časa pa spet si ne morem vzeti prosto, ampak jih potem dosečemo na takih ključnih točkah.
Kako se pa obnese barka na burji?
Na burji, boš provala?
Ja.
V redu, kaj? V redu. Je, stabilno.
Je stabilno.
Da se, smoči se.
Samo da se kakšno skulpturo ne zgodi.
Fixed it. Hi, how's it going?
That's for our media,
Slovenia.
Huge boats.
And
this she's guilty for that.
We came here from Slovenia. This is the scale model for Alice. And we reassembled in Ankaran, and with lots of help from amazing people like this guy, Son. And we spent about 2 weeks on the sea and in the canals, and now we're here, and we're gonna have our first performance.
Which was the longest stay, where you stayed for the longest time?
Maybe Marano, we stayed for a couple of days. It was a really great town in Italy. And also, right before we came here, we got caught in a bora wind, and so we had to turn around, and then we were stuck for 3 days waiting out the bora.
Were you on, how long were you on the open sea?
Only for like a day at a time. We would dock at night, usually, or anchor somewhere safely.
Any pirates?
No.
Not yet.
The pirates.
Do you have any problems with authorities? Do they come to you and ask?
Yeah, all the time, but we have a registration, and we're registered as boats. We function as boats. So the only exception that we've had is the Grand Canal, and it turns out that it's not about boating at all. It's about art. It's about the Biennale has a monopoly over art projects that happen during this time, and so. All of, we've been able to pass with our registration for everything else, but we didn't, it's a bit unfortunate that we came at this time because we would have loved to go in the Grand Canal. I didn't have any idea about this sort of monopoly that was going on, and and we could have come at any time, but this seemed like a fun time to come.
Yeah,
so. But that's the only problem we've had. Otherwise, we've had a lot of different kinds of inspections, but we've always passed them.
All right. One more thing, so how do you function? Do you get anybody on board who wants to join you?
No,
this is exclusive,
not at all.
It's close to you.
You know what it is? It's a crew that has learned how to do this over a period of years. It's actually a difficult thing to navigate such unnavigable crafts. And so it's a really tight crew that understands how to build, engineer, and then crew the boats.
All right. How many people do you have on board?
30.
30? Yeah. Wow. Amazing.
Yeah.
Great. Well, I wish you good winds. Good luck.
Yay.